Hello and welcome to SamuraiDayTrading.com. Fred here, going to run through the trade of the day with you on the 6th day of April 2026. The setup is pretty much the usual. If you've been following us for any time, you know we love our strong candle indicator, which are these little triangles that point in the direction that it wants you to trade. So here we have one pointing down. The buyers have made a big move up. We failed multiple times at these brick walls, and now we get a strong candle going in the opposite direction. A stunning signal to sell the market short. The market's pretty active. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 140 and 200 ticks in length. For YouTube purposes, we're going to use a little bit smaller ATM so we don't go over $1,000 per trade. And we're going to go for 20s, 50s, and 100s. And this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. And we put a cover order on first. And there we go. If it retraces, we'll move the cover order um, up to the body of the candle. There we go. A little bit of green's all we need. Move it up. And now the first thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point, and wait for our first, there we go. Once our first target is completed, we then go ahead and take all the risk out of it. Now, if it does come back and hit our stop, it's a break-even situation. So we got 21 tick first target. That's 20 ticks clear plus 1 tick for the fees. Our stop is at minus 18. So we will pay all of our fees and be break even if it hits us now. Now, if it hits our next target first, then we'll be in positive and there's no way we can lose any money. Now, the good part is we can have another order waiting. If it does take it out of break even, we have a choice to make. Do I want to re-enter the signal or not? So basically, we're hedging. If this hits our stop and keeps on going, we won't get back into the trade. If we do, highly likely we're going to get our first target taken out again. All right, we're looking for 50s here. Let's go ahead and speed it up. 50 ticks is worth 250 US dollars. So that's out. So we're 90 ticks ahead, about 450 US dollars ahead, waiting to see if our last target can get hit. Down here, 100 tick target. May take a few candles, a couple candles to get there, but we'll just let it run down. That strong candle indicator is amazing. So if you get a chance, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. Guess we could speed this up to a tad more. Just need to give us some time to do its thing. Once it catches fire, gets out of the trend indicator, it's going to go very, very nicely. Boom, that's it. It's out. That trade took a couple of candles, about 6.5 minutes to complete, and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in, I guess, what, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. The only place you're going to find the strong candle indicator makes trading a breeze. So look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. And until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.